put the surf down in here. Are you kidding me?
That's how you start a morning right there.
Alright guys, beginning of day two. Let's see if I can do this. We stayed the night last night at our friend Todd's. You guys probably seen him in some of our videos, deer hunting anyway. We haven't seen him in a couple years. He got lucky and drew the deer tag down there in southern Utah. 2 years. Was it 2 years in a row?
2 years in a row.
2 years in a row as a non-resident. So he came down for 2 years and then he hasn't drawn it for 2 years. So I figured we were up in the area, we'd stop by and say hi to him and his wife, and they were nice enough to let us stay at their place. So
thank you guys very much.
Thanks a bunch. It was awesome. I slept like a freaking champ with old Pinky, the blanket. And gonna leave the jumping jack here. Probably come back here and stay again tonight. Got a lot of country wanted to hunt around here. So we're gonna visit with them for a couple days, and then we're gonna pack up and head to probably a little further west, north, I don't know.
Yeah.
Somewhere. So anyway,
it's somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere. So yeah, we're gonna go grab some coffee at the gas station because I'm lazy and I don't want to make anything, and then go try some new country I was scouting last night. Alright guys, first stand of day 2. Got one on first stand yesterday. Let's see what we can do today. Should be a pretty good area. There's water, there's cows. We're kind of in a remote area. Stand number 1, day number 2.
We might as well give up this whole trip. If you don't get one every stand, what's the point? Finished up our first stand in the morning of day 2. I'm calling it quits.
Done, we're out.
Sorry guys. Didn't mean to let you down.
Well guys, that is now 3 dry stands in a row in some new country. I think we'll give it about one more in this general area, and if we don't get anything in on that one, then we're going to move further away. There's definitely coyotes in here. We heard them on 2 of the stands, and been seeing a fair amount of sign in here, so we know they're here, but they're not coming in, so something's wrong. Nobody's been on this road forever, so I wouldn't think it's really been called, but at least not recently, but you never know. So we will do one more in this general area, and then we're going to head further north.
Still coming. He was hauling ass. You'll see him when he hits that open spot in the fence. Okay, you see him white power poles on the skyline halfway between here and the fence. You see his white face sticking up.
You'll see right here, guys, I kind of had the coyote in frame and then lost him. It is so hard sometimes to get those things centered in the frame, especially when they're that far out and you don't have a lot of good reference points to get them zeroed in on there.
Clear out there. Yep. He ran to the left. I don't know where he's at. Okay, maybe you got him. I don't know.
Just to the right of him.
Where am I hitting?
I don't know, is your gun off? Oh, I got him now. Do we need to test something?
There's no way I missed all 3 of those shots, dude.
It didn't get knocked off or something, bounce around the truck, did it? Well guys, we finally called one in. I think it looked like we hit a piece of brush right in front of him. We just barely missed him to the left at, what is that, 150, 160-ish? But here's one of the nice things about the scope vision, is you can look back and see where you were holding. And then we get a phone call.
And it's the water. People delivering water to my house. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You got that?
Yep.
Oh, I was dead on him, dude. Let's see, let me go.
Yeah, that should have hit him.
I was just a little on the left of his chest, but there's...
Yeah, that should have hit him. Yeah, I don't care if it's running it on your rifle scope, the scope vision, run it on the phone scope. You can always look back, even with video. It's always nice to be able to look back.
That was 100%.
Well, you guys will get to see a miss on the scope vision anyway. Alright guys, so we're going to do tip of the day, right meow? Yeah, I said right meow. If you miss a shot that you feel like you should have made, always double check. Go back, especially if you're videoing, go back and look. Did you hit a piece of brush? Check your equipment again. What was it, 3 years ago?
Yeah.
2 years ago?
3.
3.
Yeah.
We had a spell there where I think we missed like 6 in 2 days or something.
Yep.
And a couple hit really bad, and I was just like, man, Gary doesn't shoot like that. And I got looking back at the video after we got back from the trip, and I could see every single time he hit high and left. And I told him, it was like, gun's off. He's like, the last time I went and shot it, it was perfect. And what happened when you went out and shot it?
Oh, it was 6 inches left and about 4 inches high.
So yeah, there you go. Sometimes you just don't know how your stuff gets knocked off. Maybe you tipped it over and didn't know it, and maybe you set something on it, whatever. Either way, if you feel like you missed a shot you shouldn't have, check your equipment. Chances are that's what it is, especially if you're a good shot like this guy is over here.
It depends on the day, really, for me.
Well, this just wasn't our day. This stand ended up sucking. We had a hard wind right to left, set up great for it, and had a coyote come in right on the edge of the wind, just running as fast as he could. Basically got our wind, started to run away, and tried to shotgun him, but he was too low on the hill and ended up basically just hitting brush. To make it even worse, he was coming in at an angle to where I couldn't move to get turned that far, and I didn't even get anything on film. You're gonna have to stand up because I can't see you. Well, that happened fast.
That was really fast.
Did you even kiss?
Oh, you didn't hear me kiss?
Uh-uh.
Oh, I thought he busted me when I kissed because he stopped on the hill.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
So he's only, what, not even 10 seconds in when you saw him?
No, I saw him coming right off the top of the hill.
Because I remember your gun was kind of pointed straight out.
Yeah.
And as soon as you turned on the call, I just kind of panned around this way. And then as soon as I came back, your gun was pointed the other way, and I was like, something's up. And then I saw him come off the hill.
Yeah, yeah, when I kissed, he stopped because he was coming straight off the hill. When I kissed, he stopped broadside like he was going to turn and go back up.
Oh, you're like, shit.
But then he kept coming.
Nice.
Guys, today's been a grind, man. I'm not going to lie. It's about noon right now, if I had to guess.
Ish.
11:30 to noon. So the first 4 stands this morning, nothing. We heard a few hounds. We up and left the country, got into the new spot. We've made 4 stands here. We've called in 3 coyotes. I missed one. Not sure if I hit brush or just missed. Had another one come in and some thick stuff, but like I say, it's noon-ish right now. That's the first coyote we put in the truck today. I mean, we'll take it, but man, it's been... You can ask Mike. I got pretty frustrated on one stand after the one come into the thick stuff with the shotgun. Normally, after I shoot, like on this one, I'll finish the stand. I packed up all my stuff and just went to the truck, even though Mike had told me to stay. I was frustrated.
You were done.
I was done for that.
You had it. Had enough. We got one.
We got one. We're just getting going.
It's a sign of good things to come, right?
That's right.
Well, let's go get him. Oh, not too bad. A little back, but
It's really not bad.
no, that wasn't a bad shot at all, man. Really white coyote.
That is big female. Big female.
We only need 2 more and we're keeping up with average.
I know. We can get it.
We got half a day left. Did you hit him?
Yeah, he went down right there.
Okay. What's that?
Trying to make sure I can find where that's at on the hill.
I'll sit here and watch if you want to go up there in case he's still moving. That was my bad, dude. I said 3 o'clock a little loud.
No, I heard you the first time.
Okay. Yeah, he just showed up out of nowhere, dude.
I shouldn't have turned the call back on. I should have just let him keep coming because I saw him. As soon as I turned that call on, boom.
Yeah, I'll
That
sit.
right there is what I should have done on the coyote I shot at with the shotgun.
Yeah, just wait until he ran off.
Because
Yeah.
I knew I could have stopped. That's why I was so pissed. I was pissed at myself.
Yeah. It looks like you found him. We had a lot of coyotes today come in from weird directions.
It's amazing sometimes how they make it that far, such a good shot on them.
Yeah. I can't believe he even ran off, honestly.
I think I must have, like you said, grass is really tall.
Might have just
Maybe see a little grass right in front of him.
blasted him or something.
Yeah.
You guys are lucky. Lucky today. You're getting 2 tips of the day. Not even just a tip, you're getting the tips of the day. So this one, we've told you guys this before. Some of you guys may or may not have heard it on some of our other videos. If you're not into coyotes, go somewhere else. It's a lot like fishing. If you're not catching fish somewhere, something's wrong. Either they're not wanting to bite, they're not there, or they're not wanting to bite what you're trying to feed them. And it's the same thing with coyotes. So if you're not into them for whatever reason, change something up or move. And that's what,
we made 4 stands this morning.
yeah.
Nothing. And then what did we move?
We moved
10 miles maybe?
maybe 10 miles.
10, 12 miles further up the road.
All the difference in the world.
And we've made 4 stands in here and called them 4 coyotes, and it's the middle of the day.
Yep.
Water tank.
dirty bugger.
Well, it was kind of a bummer. We didn't even do anything wrong on that one.
I think he may have saw me moving because I kind of committed to the shotgun.
Yeah.
And then I was trying to switch to the rifle and I kind of like, I was like this. And I kind of went like that a little bit to get the stock of the gun around me to set it down.
Oh.
And that's when he kind of started.
When he started turning?
Yeah, and I hit the wrong, I didn't mean to hit the Kai, I meant to hit the bark, but even when he stopped, he couldn't have been more swallowed up by the brush.
Yeah.
I couldn't see him at all.
That's kind of what I figured, because I could just see his head, and I figured from your angle, you weren't going to be able to see anything.
I couldn't see a thing.
Well, we got time for one more, maybe?
Do we got to go back and get your battery?
I don't know. I don't even know if it's there. It could have been where I stopped when I went back to get the other truck, last time.
We got time for one more, if we can find somewhere to set up. But,
let's try and squeak out one more.
yeah.
Last stand of day 2, guys. Gotta make it happen on this one. Hopefully we can get one. We need one more to get our 3. Got it.
Oh. Nice shot, dude.
Woo! Oh, he saw me move. We'll keep going.
Nice shot. I tried to bark to get him to stop.
Alright guys, so wrap on day 2. We're ahead of the pace, but we had a bit of a rough day today. It was, started off the morning really slow. We did not see a coyote till about 11:30. We packed up and moved to a new spot, only 10 or 12 miles further to the north. And then we went 5 stands in a row called in coyotes, but the stuff we were calling was super thick, really hard to get any kind of a vantage point. But we managed to get 2 of those 5. Kind of jumped across the valley, made this last stand right before dark. Got this big coyote right after the first sequence. So this is the last one for the day, but we're on pace, ahead of pace a little bit, so can't complain. Yesterday was a great day. Today was a day. Still fun checking out all this new country. That's the funnest part of this whole trip, is all the country we're hunting is virgin country to us. Probably not everybody else, but it is to us. That was the point of this, is checking out as much new country as possible. So we're learning a bunch. It's gonna be awesome. So that's a wrap on day 2, and look forward to what day 3 through 30 gonna bring.